brew.
Okay, go tell Papa we're done.
Kush.
Hey, whoa, they can't see you.
Whoa, they
You
can
guys
see
sit
me.
higher.
Whoa.
They can't see you. Do you know where we got the package from?
Scotland.
Scotland! Thank you,
Callum
Callum and Taylor. Should we check it out? Whoa, so there's a card. It's a flag.
It's a flag.
They wrapped everything. This is the Greater Glasgow and Clyde Valley. Check it out.
Let's open them.
Okay, let's start opening them.
Whoa!
Lee's Scottish tablet.
Look at this.
What is that?
Cookies.
Sultana all butter cookies. So they're cookies. Nice. Shortbread cookies.
Look at this.
Whoa, take a look at that. Shortbread thistle rounds. These remind me of those Knott's Berry Farm cookies. We'll put a picture right here. Where they have like that little custard or not custard, but the jam in the middle.
Whoa, look at this.
What is that? Let's see. Can you read it?
Milk chocolate green ginger biscuits.
Yeah, it's milk chocolate ginger biscuits. Whoa.
That looks good.
Whoa, look at the little guy. Look at, he's so funny looking. Okay, open that one. What's this one? This one feels like chips.
What is this, Daddy?
Potato chips. And then, let's read it. Oat cakes. Oat cakes. So I'm assuming maybe like oat crackers or crackers made from oats. If you guys know what any of this stuff is, and let us know which one's your favorite. Thank you, Callum and Taylor. This is so much stuff. And they're all snackies. These are not specifically Scottish, but I included them because they're fun. Mini snowballs. They're like
look
chocolate.
At this milk chocolate.
Whoa. Little Robin chocolate. And it has that same dame chocolate in it that we got from IKEA. You guys have to let me know if it's Tunux, maybe Tunux. But Tunux milk chocolate, they're tea cakes. So they look like that. Tea cakes. This one feels like another bag of chips. Ooh, yeah. Haggis flavor. Whoa.
Whoa, look at these.
What is Aberdeen? What is it's tea? It's gotta be tea. It looks like tea. Scottish blend looks like tea. That fudge. Iron brew or brew iron. I hope you enjoyed the iron brew, Scotland's national drink. This is Scotland's national drink. Fun fact, Scotland is one of 3 countries worldwide where Coca-Cola is not #1. Original Scottish macaroons. So this is seedless bramble preserves. So thank you guys for sending this and wrapping it, but I think it exploded. Thank you guys for sending all of this.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Okay, let's try some of this stuff.
I want to try this first.
Everything out of everything. Jordan wants to try the caramel wafer biscuits first. Oh, whoa.
What?
That was surprising.
What?
They're individually wrapped. Whoa, it's like a huge chocolate bar. Let me try that. Whoa. It's a wafer biscuit cookie. Oh, that's good. These are the tea cakes.
I could not eat that right.
I think you could have it. I don't think there's any tea in it. They just call it because then I think you could have it with your tea. So then, like, if Daddy were to drink the tea, then you could eat the cookies with the tea.
Whoa!
Whoa, I smushed it, but... Whoa! It's like a big chocolate-covered marshmallow. You're gonna be on a sugar high. Let me try.
That's really good.
These are really good. You guys really eat that with tea? McAllister's milk ginger cookies.
This looks like old chocolate.
They kind of are. Boom. Before I even bit into it, I could smell the ginger. It's good. It's weird because you don't expect there to be ginger or this strong of a ginger smell. Not the taste, but the smell from a cookie. Whoa.
Strong.
That's good. It's good though.
The ginger's strong.
Now that I could probably have with some tea. Let's try this oat cake.
I'm not into that right now.
You're not into this right now? Oh, how do you know? What if this is like the most delicious thing ever? Whoa. This is crumbly. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to just have to break one. Okay. You want to try? That's oddly kind of good. I like it.
You could eat that with tea.
You know what? I think I could. It's like a softer wheat then.
Now let's try the lemon biscuits.
These are the lemon drizzle melts.
You could eat this with tea, I think, too.
Oh! It's a biscuit with a lemon drizzle. How is it?
It's melting.
That lemon really is, it's a strong lemon taste. It's not sour lemon, it's like a strong lemonade taste. That's pretty good.
It's not strong to me.
No? What does it taste like?
I could eat it with milk every day.
You're right. You're right. He would eat it with milk every day. Haggis and cracked pepper. Potato chips.
I don't like black pepper.
He doesn't like black pepper, that's what he said. Ooh, it smells like barbecue. It does smell like barbecue. I've never had haggis, but if that's what it tastes like, that's delicious. Whoa.
Whoa.
These are good. Mature cheddar and onion. Oh.
Potato chips.
These potato chips, they're definitely a lot less oily than the ones here. Whoa, look at these.
Whoa.
Oh.
These are cool.
So these are the little robins. It's a little chocolate egg.
What is this?
That one I'm not too sure. We're going to find out. I don't know what that is. Whoa, look at
jam
these.
inside?
There's jam inside.
I don't want jam.
You don't like jam? Yeah, Jordan doesn't like jam. I don't know why.
Or uncle.
Or uncle, that's right. Oh, look how thick these cookies are. They're definitely not like the Knott's Berry Farm ones. These are for sure different.
Dip it inside your coffee too.
Whoa.
Dip it inside your coffee too. Dip it inside your coffee.
Jordan, you would like this one. It tastes like strawberry. Try it. You'll like it.
I don't taste the jam. I really don't taste the jam.
Wow, I do. It's strawberry flavor. These are so good.
I love that cookie.
You say you don't like it.
But this one?
Oh. Aberdeen Angus? Aberdeen? Aberdeen Angus? I don't know what that is. That's good. It's like barbecue. These chips are totally different though. I don't know how to describe these chips. You know what it is? It almost tastes like if a Pringle, like a barbecue Pringle and a Lay's potato chip had a baby. That's what this is right here. And it was baked instead of fried. I love shortbread, so I already know I'm gonna like this. But I don't think Jordan's ever had a shortbread before, so we're gonna try this Dean's original, family original recipe for shortbread. Daddy loves shortbread.
I love shortcake.
The shortcake, you're right. You do like shortcake.
Those
Ooh.
look really good.
Oh, I gotta break a piece off.
We should break that apart for me and you.
Oh.
It's strong, right?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. He's so smart. Doing this, I don't think I've ever seen before.
I've never seen anything about
That's
all
right.
this.
All right, here we go. This looks
But
like
I've seen this before.
Oh.
I've seen that a long, long time ago.
Whoa.
What? What?
So it's a bar like this, but in the inside, it's like a bar of sugary coconut. Whoa, that's good. You're gonna be on a sugar high. Whoa.
Oh,
Okay, that's pretty sugary too. Whoa.
they melt in your mouth.
They look like they will.
Is it raisin?
They're sultanas. They're butter cookies. Give it a try.
Raisin?
Sultana.
What's sultana?
They're good. They're buttery. I thought you don't like it. It's a butter cookie. They're so buttery. You don't have to suck on it. This just seems like it's literally just a bar of condensed milk with what it is. It's condensed milk, butter, and sugar. It smells so sweet. It comes like that, and it's like, it's soft.
Try that.
What? It breaks apart kind of like a cookie, but it's, what is this? It's like frosting. It's a bar of frosting.
It's super, super sweet.
It's super, super sweet. Whoa. Thank you, Taylor and Callum.
Thank you, Taylor and Callum.
That was delicious.
That was delicious.
We just tried snacks from Scotland. Whoa.
We didn't try this one.
You're right.
We'll try this with Crunch Bomb.
You're right. Thank you. Thanks for watching,
Take a
guys.
picture right here.
Nice. Thanks for watching, guys.
Did you get a picture with it?
Oh, we sure did.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Crunch Bomb.
Crunch Bros.